Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be looking at simplifying like terms. The first thing I want you to think about is, what does a like term means? It means that we're adding something that is the same. For example, 3a plus 2a. So it's saying I bought 3 apples in the morning, and then I went back in the afternoon and I bought 2 apples. So they're like terms because A is referring to apples. How many apples did I buy altogether? 3 plus 2 equals 5 apples, 5A. I don't know the price of the apples, so I've left it as A. But I'm comparing them and they are identical. They're exact same. Just as if I am thinking about going 2A plus 3B plus 6A. Again here, I can go, well, 2A plus 3B plus 6A. What is like terms? So A, so I always look at the variable and they both have A, which means they are both like terms. So being like terms, I can add them together because I've got 2A, so 2 apples, plus 3 bananas, plus 6 apples. So A's are apples, they are the same. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. I've got 8 apples plus 3 bananas, 3B. So I'm grouping them together. Now, if I put this example up on the board, 3x squared y plus 11x squared y, take 2xy squared. Now this is exactly the same. We're looking at what is the same with the variables. So even though it's got a 2, that 2 just means we've got 2 lots of x's, x times x. So x squared y, x squared y. These are exactly the same. They are the same like term. Xy squared, we've got y squared. So y squared does not match up with what we have here. So it's an unlike term, so that's the simplest we can get that part. So how many? I've got 3x squared y's and I've got 11x squared y's. So I'm just adding those numbers together. 11 plus 3 equals 14. So 14x squared y minus 2xy squared. And that will be the simplest form. Let's put this into practice now. I'm going to be drawing a picture over here. Now, if you have played pool, this is a pool table set where I have all of my bowls in here. This is the triangle. Now, I'm going to be looking at my side. So this is 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2 and 6x plus 2. If I want to find out my perimeter of this triangle, I need to add my 3 sides together. So I'm going to be going 6x plus 2 plus 6x plus 2 plus 6x plus 2. 3 lots of 6x's plus 2. Now, the like terms, I'm going to be grouping them. So first, I'm going to be looking at my 6x plus 6x plus 6x, because they've all got the same variable of x. And then I'm also going to be looking at my 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I will start off with my 6x. 6x plus 6x equals 12x. 12x plus 6x equals 18x. Then I'm going to look at how many 2's I've got. 2, 4, 6. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 18x plus 6. Hopefully you understand more about simplifying like terms and what they are. But I just make sure that you put something to that variable so it makes sense. Just like we did with apples and bananas. That will assist you to really understand like terms and be able to apply them to harder problems. If you'd like any extra assistance with some harder questions, feel free to drop me a line and I'll make a video just for you.